Alright guys, we're at a new track, I-30 Dragway. Never been here before, so far so good. We're here for Baddest Small Tire in America. It's Friday night, it's a 2-day event. Tonight is going to be a bunch of indexes, a couple of all-out classes. We're going to be following the whole event with Waylon and Patella Performance with YOSHI. So if you guys haven't already seen that, it's this badass, what seems super tiny, but technically a full-size truck. It is a extremely fast truck. We don't really have the setup to kind of do coverage of the entire event, so we're just gonna kind of tag along with Patella Performance and the couple of cars that they're working with, but particularly YOSHI. So this is day one. It's mainly testing for a lot of people, but there's a bunch of index classes and a full-size truck class. So we're gonna start out with that. Waylon's doing one of the index classes, mostly for testing, but I mean, he's gonna try to run the index and just get some useful information. And then I think he's gonna do full-size truck as well. So yeah, we'll just dive right into that. Oh, really? I was wondering because it just kind of jumped a little.
We're doing a full size run what you wrong.
Today?
Yeah, right now.
Oh, gotcha. So that's all out. Damn, so you're having to go between index and all out? Index, all out?
Yeah. We're out of index.
Gotcha. Oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah, sometimes we do 6.0, 7.0. Normally I just make two different tunes.
Yeah. All right, so it was going to be a busy day because they were doing an index class and an all-out class. So they were going to have to keep going back and forth. But unfortunately, his finger slipped off the transmake button on that one, so he's out of the index class. So now he can just concentrate on the all-out stuff. Okay, this class is a full-size truck class. Not too sure. I think there's more trucks than this, but although it looks really tiny, it is technically a full-size truck, so it's allowed to run in these. Everybody thinks it's like super small and everything. It's a full-size truck cab, so here we go. So it's definitely a full-size. That's why it takes so many people to push it. It looked pretty docile. You guys just wanted to definitely A to B on that one? Yeah. Good.
What'd you do?
I didn't do it. Smooth.
I made it.
We gotta go up there and redraw for small tire.
Oh.
They let Brandon in after the class, or they found his tech card. If they lost it or something, I don't know.
Oh. So just do a complete redraw for it?
Yeah.
You gonna do something similar for small tire, or you gotta crank it up a bit?
We're gonna crank it up, depending on who we get.
Yeah. All right, so apparently I misspoke. I thought they were only doing 2 classes, but apparently they're doing 3. So they were doing index, full-size truck, and then small tire. I didn't know there was a small tire tonight. So a lot of classes. They're still in 2. We'll see how it goes. You say you got the buy?
No, me and him can't run each other next month. So
How do you know?
because it started with 5, and neither one of us got the buy. The guy that's got the buy still in it.
Oh, I gotcha. Oh,
You
nice.
can't get the buy again.
Yeah. Perfect. Another truck Robert's working with. Bam. Bam. Made a really good hit on the last one. I can't say what time it went, but it was not slow. Oh, this is exactly what I got the camera out for. This last time after he filled up, he was just like, hey, don't smoke back there.
Same, don't smoke back there.
Yeah. I mean, it's methanol, it dries real quick. Good. All right, it's pulling up now for small tire round 1. I think this is the matchups. I think Robert did his magic, so hopefully it goes even faster than the last one. Left lane. How'd it go?
Yeah, we good. I pedaled it. If I could have stayed in it, I think I would have won. He didn't make a real clean pass.
Oh, you had to pedal too. See, I couldn't hear it over yours, or over his.
His is crazy loud.
As soon as I saw him pedal, I was like, oh, good.
I pedaled about the same time he pedaled. Right after that, I pedaled too.
Damn
He
it.
pedaled and I went around him pretty good, and I had to pedal, and he came right back up on me. And
Shit. Damn it.
he got it by.
It looked like it left good though.
It left good. It ran good.
Yeah, that'll be good for what, truck class still?
Yeah, good for the truck class.
Awesome. All right, so unfortunately Yoshi is out of small tire and the 585 index, but he's still in the truck class. So that last pass, it left really well, but he had to pedal it like he said. So hopefully that'll be really, really strong for the truck class, and he can take that all the way to the final. Okay, so Yoshi was able to pull off the win on that one. He goes on to what I think is the final in the truck class. Gonna help his buddy out real quick. Robert's got to take a look at his other trucks that he's got going on that's still in small tire. So once it cools down, he'll be ready for the next round, which I think is against the other truck that Robert's working with. So it's a Patella Performance final, I believe. You got your chat moderator over here?
Yeah, that's the chat moderator right there. The live one.
I'm getting paid another $30 so I can get $8. Everyone knows me on this street.
She's got good business sense. You're going places.
Yeah. I think the weekend could be having more money than her dad.
Sorry guys, that was horrible camera work. I was holding it above my head. Alright, so as you can see, Patella Performance 1 and 2 are in the final. They went ahead and split it. It didn't end up racing, unfortunately. I wanted to see him make one more pass, but they both got a lot of racing to do tomorrow, so it makes sense. Nice job for both of them.